Hey guys, how's it going? I'm just making a quick video. Okay, that right there are the forks that I just recently polished up. They're, sorry it's a little shaky. They're Race Tech emulators and freshly polished. So they look pretty good. All the way down, I had to take them completely off so I could get in, spaces like that. Both sides are done. So yeah, thought I'd show you the bike. It's missing some stuff. It's a well, it's in the US, so it's an SP600 model, but they're compatible with the DR600s. So yeah, that's the bike and the forks.